Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna be bringing another auto body video today. Real quick, I want to say, if you're new around here, my name is Alex. We do auto body and paint repair videos on this channel every single Monday, as well as whatever kind of car projects we're working on at the house. So if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. So today is... you can't see that. Today is January 19th, which means we're about 2 months out from Riverside, which means it is officially Riverside prep season. So what we're going to be doing today is working on the boy Lane. You might know him as Moist FB6 on Instagram. Alright, so like I said, we've got Lane's Civic Si here. It's a pretty clean car, but we're going to be perfecting a few things, getting it ready for the first show of the year at Riverside, Chattanooga. So real quick, let's walk through what we're going to be doing to this car. We're going to be doing a rock chip repair on the front end. So there's rock chips in the fenders, hood, and bumper. Going to be repairing those and repainting the front end. Around back here, we're going to be doing some repairs to the deck lid. Last season, he ran a wing on this car. Not going to be running it this season, and it left a couple small dents and scratches in the deck lid that we're going to be repairing. Also going to be shaving the Honda emblem on the trunk. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to shave holes like this. And lastly, this car was wrapped last season, and when the wrap was pulled, it actually took some of the paint on the rear bumper with it. So we're going to be repainting the rear bumper as well. It also has a new front bumper and side skirts that we're going to be painting, so it's a lot of paint work on this car. We're going to be getting started today. First thing I like to do when I get a car in like this is take note of all the things that we're going to be fixing and make a plan, and then we're going to tear it down, remove anything we need to remove to do the repairs. I think for today we're going to focus on this deck lid and try and get it completely knocked out. So I'm going to show you guys how to shave the emblem holes, and we're going to get this thing taken apart so we can work on it. We'll need to get the chrome molding off and the taillight. So I'm going to do that now and we'll get started. Alright, got the deck lid completely taken apart. Now I'm going to grind the paint where these holes are so we can weld them up. Alright, now before we weld, I'm going to go ahead and throw a welding blanket over the glass. Glass is generally something that's hard to damage, but one of the things that can scratch it pretty easily is welding sparks. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure we protect that and the paint in the surrounding areas. Alright, got these holes welded up. Anytime you're shaving stuff like this, I 100% recommend welding it. It's the only way to make sure it's going to last. You don't want to just stick something behind it and wipe it with filler. That's not going to last. You're going to end up seeing little cracks around where the holes used to be. So if you don't have a welder, find somebody that does have a welder and get those holes welded up. Now all I'm going to do is sand this out and do a quick skim of some body filler, and that will finish this off. I'm also going to go ahead and wipe the couple of little dents there on the top of the deck lid, and then this thing should be just about finished up and ready for primer. Alright, to make it easier to sand some of the stuff up here at the top of the trunk lid, and just so I make sure I don't accidentally hit the quarters or anything like that, I just decided to take the whole trunk lid off, make it a little bit easier to work on. Alright, one shaved deck lid. So to recap, if you want to shave holes like this on your car, weld them up. If the holes are much bigger than this, get a piece of scrap metal, cut it to the size, weld that in place, then grind your welds down completely smooth. Take a DA sander and feather out the paint with some either 180 or 320 grit. Do a skim of body filler, block that down, and there you go. That is going to do it for today. Many more videos on this project to come. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and stay tuned on this channel every single Monday for more body and paint videos. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.
Victorious. 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 In this day and age, I got time for innovation, time to be creative, time too big to waste all my time on critics hating, flattered by your opinions to show you I'll just embrace it. Now what?